Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my Coach Mini Rowan. This bag was a surprise to me, actually. I was in the Coach outlet earlier this week, and I found it in the clearance section. And I never really thought of myself as a mini bag person, but this one just called my name. It's so cute. And after I started using the Kipling bag that I reviewed a few videos ago, I realized the potential of mini bags. So I'm really loving this one, and I'm going to give you the tour. The Mini Rowan has these handles, which I really enjoy. It does come with a crossbody strap. I've got it over to the side here. It is a crossbody. It can't be shortened to shoulder length, but because it's removable, if you wanted to put a shoulder strap on there, you could. This is the floral jacquard with the embroidery, which is so pretty. And they've got this band of leather across the bottom, which serves to protect the fabric and also gives the bag some stability. It is packed right now, but there's no sagging because it's got that band on the bottom. And the other design element I really like here is you can see the zipper goes down a little bit further than the edge, so you can open it quite wide. So let's have a look inside. When I'm packing a mini bag like this, any bag, but especially a mini bag, I really want to be able to see what's inside. And if you kind of just throw your stuff in, you can't really fit as much, and you also can't really see, so it becomes kind of a mess. So I use pouches to organize everything. I'm going to show you. When you open it up, you can see that it's really organized, and then there's enough room on the top for me to throw my car keys in there. So let's have a look at what I've got in here. I've got my hand cream. I have hand sanitizer. I have my inhaler. And over here I have my lip color. I know I tucked it in there somewhere. Ah, there it is. The one that I've been loving lately, this color changing lip balm. When I'm using a small tote, I always have a little reusable shopping bag, just in case you need more room. Very handy to have. I've got my card holder in here. You can actually either use a card holder or there are card slots on the other side. I'll show you when the bag is empty. Phone. This is my medium-sized pouch. We'll take a quick look at that in a second. My headphones that I like to travel with. And that's everything that's in here. So it might be a little bit hard to see, but the Coach Mini Rowan doesn't have any internal pockets, but it does have these two card slots here. And it's got the story patch on this side. So I did give a view of this pouch in my Bagoo loaf bag video. So I'll give you a quick overview. Basically, I have some stain removers, hand sanitizing wipes. I've got some cough drops, some Advil, some disposable toothbrushes, makeup removal wipe, lip balm, nail file, mints, sewing kit, that kind of thing. If I wanted more room in this bag, I could downsize to a smaller pouch. This is the same size as the headphone pouch. And I do have some essentials in it, although of course it's much smaller than this. But you can see some of the same things in there. I will give a better glimpse of this. I haven't quite maximized how I'm packing it, so I will do a future video with my large, medium, and small purse pouches. But for now, I've been using this one. I do want to show you, if you're someone who likes to carry a multi-tool, I do, because I find that I reach for, if you want to snip a tag or something, you might be looking for scissors. There's tweezers. If you need to fix your glasses, there are these small screwdrivers, toothpick, pen, nail file, that kind of thing in here. So if you're a fan of these, I'll show you. It does actually slide right into the card holder here. All right, so I'm going to repack this bag. Wish me luck, because it was a little tight, but I've got my card holder in here, phone, headphones, medium pouch, and reusable shopping bag. And those all kind of stack neatly there on the bottom. And then I use the space around to put my little essential bottles, hand sanitizer, the puffer, lip balm, and then the hand cream goes in here as well. So you can see everything fits back neatly, and then it zips right up. And then just to pack it out, I've got the crossbody strap here. So we'll clip that on. And then finally, my friend just got back from Japan and she brought me this adorable bag charm. This is Polly Pocket, and it opens, let me see, it opens to her house. Is that not the cutest thing? So I originally thought when I got this bag I didn't want to wear any bag charms with it because the flowers kind of speak for themselves, but this is so cute that it needs to go on. So we're going to add that. Just right through the handle loop here. And there she is. So I hope that this gave you a few ideas of how to use your mini bag. And if you have any ideas or things that I have forgotten, I would love to hear from you down in the comments. And that's all for today. Have a fantastic day or night, and see you in the next video. Bye.